Hey guys, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor. I'm at the Closet Show and I'm at the tag booth. I'm gonna get my finger to point in the right direction. We're at the tag booth and jewelry and drawer stuff. Let me show you what they got. Really cool. I like this stuff. So they have got a new jewelry and drawer divider system that is really slick. I'll pull out and show it to you here. So it'll come as kits, and they've got different kits. They've got jewelry and they've got sunglasses and different kits that'll come out. But is what it is. It's a faux leather, vinyl over a PVC. So these items, it's got to put a piece on the bottom, and then this drops in, and you're able to just cut these to size to fit your stuff if you need to, and then it can slide around inside the drawer, and it's got different accessories with it. So really cool. They got multiple colors on it, and I like it. It looks really nice. It looks really rich, and it's got lots of cool stuff with it. The other one that I really like, we've been doing a lot of big drawers lately, and the problem with big drawers is they've got lots of storage, but they don't have the organization. And I hate doing fixed organizer shelves on it, 3/4 inch shelves on it. This system here, there's a little rail that goes on the bottom, on the back and the front of the drawer, and then it's got this divider that pops out, and then it is adjustable. Let me see if I can do it here. Let me see here. This guy pops out. I'm not going to pop it out because I don't know what I'm doing, but you can move it and adjust it. And they have got that for shorter drawers, and they also have it for bigger drawers. So really cool organization stuff. I like that. That's nice. And then they also, let me see, I'm going to peek into one of their drawers here. You can buy just the material for it a la carte and use that for lining drawers and shelves. You can see the material here. It's just on a PVC and cuts this with a regular chop saw. These are the dividers that go in on the rail. Nice and simple. They'll have pricing out on this really soon. So I really like this stuff. Derrek here with the Closet Doctor, and I'm at the Element Designs booth, and some really cool stuff. And I was actually surprised by the pricing on it. Not much more than what we're paying for some of the stuff that we do. Let me show you some of their cool features. So I was standing here looking at their different glass options, and he said, "Do you even know what we do?" And I said, "No." And he brought me over here, and what they do is they do different aluminum frame doors. Got a bunch of different profile styles. And then they do glass inserts. So they got a whole bunch of different stuff on here. Different inserts, different finishes and things like that. I've actually got a project going right now with mirror, and we're gonna look at rebidding it and doing a mirror in the center with a little profile door on it, because I think it'll be better than the other option that we had. And like I said, the pricing on this, the rough pricing on it, they're about $43 on the low end to about $100 a square foot, 4-week lead time on it. So that's Element Designs. Go ahead and check them out if you want more information. Hey, here at the Closet Show, and another cool item is this dry away doors. Let me show them. So you got people and they want to hang their clothes and dry them. They have got this system here. They've got them in 2 depths. It's a 30-inch rack that pulls out. It's got a stabilizing rod in the middle, and then the rods themselves are adjustable. That one doesn't have one. They've got a little O-ring on them that holds them in place and drops in and out. So they're adjustable along the height. They're good for a 90 to 96 inch section, and they slide out on a full extension slide and pull out. So they got them in a couple of species. They come in pairs. You're about $500 a pair. And I'm in California. We're about $50 shipping on them. So you can pay them. They also have a little bit less of a supply of the 24-inch deep ones in there. So if you want to keep it the same depth as your normal countertop. Really nice, cool product. That's from Dry Away Laundry System. Hey, another cool thing that I saw here, if you got a shop with dust collection, is EcoGate. And so they've got this smart box that they hook up to your dust collection, and they put smart blast gates in it. When you turn a machine on, I'm going to turn the machine on. There's your table saw. It sends a message to a low voltage guy, fires up your dust collector, and then depending on which machine you're using, it'll open and close your gates. It also is smart. It won't fully shut the dust collector off, but it'll turn it down. And their big deal is on it, they can optimize your dust collection at your machines and at the same time save you a whole bunch of money on energy. So you can go ahead and check them out. Get something to... And I don't know if these guys had a booth here or not, but they had these amazing luxury coat hangers. So it's a, it's a leather coat hanger there. It's got a rubber coated hook on it. When that hook turns and rotates, it's actually got detents on it that holds it in place. But just truly over the top. I want to say these were like $300 hangers, and they're fully customizable on colors and stuff like that. I don't have any other contact information than what is on the bag that they come in there, but they had several different models. So super cool product. I really liked it. And the last thing at the show that was really cool was I got the opportunity to have a space in the SNX booth. They do contour edge banders and CNCs, but I was able to show off the new machine that I'm bringing to market under my company name, Oakwood Equipment Company. This machine is a self-centering drilling machine that allows you to drill for hardware for handles and knobs on drawer fronts and doors very accurately and very quickly. The fences on it center the part. The drills are adjustable so that you can drill 2 holes with a center to center spacing from 2.5 inches out to 13.5 inches. So as you can see here in the video in my shop, we're drilling drawer fronts. We can drill about 10 drawer fronts in under 2 minutes. In this demonstration, I'm doing different size stuff. So great machine. Had lots of interest in it and had took several orders for it. If that's something you're interested in, let me know and be glad to get you on the list. Take a second, enjoy this, and here in the end, a whole bunch of pictures with people that I met at the show, having a good time. Thanks and enjoy the video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Hey guys, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor this morning, and I guess my